Everybody, I'm Mr. Steve and I love Blender, and if you love it too, then stick around for this video and help support it because I'm trying to bring some awareness to the Blender Foundation and all the amazing things they do to bring us not only a great 3D product, but one that has a ton of commits, a lot of people really working on it. You know it's a labor of love because they only get 2% of their followership, which is over 2 million people, to actually donate to the cause. This video, if you like and subscribe, there's going to be two ways you can definitely support Blender Foundation, because what I'm going to do is for the entire month of January to kick off 2025, I'm going to be giving away Ref Pro. Well, not necessarily giving it away. You're going to buy it as a donation. 100% of those proceeds are going to go to Blender Foundation, and I'm really happy to do it. We're going to take a quick look at the software. And I want to say a big thank you to the almost 6,000 subscribers that I have. Everybody that passes by this channel, if you just put a like and a subscribe through this video, you will help push it out and the YouTube algorithm will do its thing. Let's all support Blender Market, and I want this video to reach the over 2 million people that actively use Blender each month. Let's get this thing going. Now, I'm going to let you guys know this add-on was a true pain point for me because I had some issues programming the Python for this. And so that's where my collab buddy Sam came in, because he was absolutely amazing. He worked out the padding. He connected the icon gallery, which I made everything on the right and put all that together. And then he made the interface for the 2D, which you're seeing now. So you can go in, you can change the actual name colors, the size, location, you can flip the image. You're getting this add-on. Not necessarily free, obviously, but it is a donation and it will do your heart some good to give. And that's why I'm doing this as well. I'm not getting a single penny from this. You can toggle the reference space. It automatically writes in the reference space for you. It's absolutely incredible. So what Blender is doing now is moving towards a more streamlined and mainstream 3D software that's going to be more compatible. They're looking into render engines and AI and different things. And yeah, all this plays in. So add-ons save time, and Blender has saved me a ton of time. The tutorials and the support and the love for Blender is absolutely outrageous. And this add-on was something that once it was completed, it's just like a sigh of relief. And it was the same for Sam because he wanted to get something like this too. But get on over, subscribe, like, pick up this add-on. I will have a link in the comments. I have a link in the description. Go pick it up. I'll just put it for a couple few dollars. Not sure how much I'm going to do yet, but pick it up and support Blender Market and Blender Foundation.